Okay, cool. I just wanted to do a quick, raw, unfiltered analysis of this entire week, so I'm not gonna BS around. Let's just get straight into it. So this entire week, we had red folders on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Today was supposed to be a no trade day, but I did take a trade. There's the Jackson today and yesterday. There was the Jackson Hole Symposium, which is basically where all the federal world leaders, the people in charge of the banks, institutions, whatever, all that stuff, right? They come together and they discuss future plans for their economies, right? I'll probably go from Friday back. Or should I start from Monday? I'll start from today because it's more fresher in my mind. Bias was originally supposed to be bullish, but I adapt to the market and whatever they give me. So I changed my bias based on what market conditions give me, right? London, and then yeah, New York, we had a huge upsell right here. My position that I took was literally right here before news came out during the macro. This was the scalpiest 2-second trade of my life. Bearish S&T right here, and Nasdaq failed to take it. Opposing draw and liquidity right here from this inverse and the change in state right here, and it just rallied. It took out all this low resistance liquidity right here, all this Tokyo, London previous day. It took out everything. If you traded that, you probably either you were gambling, full ported, or you just actually, I don't even know. Today was a very risky day to trade. Off of Monday. So Monday we were coming down from all-time high. Obviously PA wants to come back into equilibrium to rebalance price. We were obviously gonna be bearish this entire week, right? We were ranging in this fair value gap right here, this hourly fair value gap, and then hourly order block right here. We were ranging like crazy. Position I entered in was right here. We had the displacement, we had the CISD, we had the inverse right there, making a break of structure. Rallied all the way to these draws and liquidity right here from the previous day. Going into Tuesday, had this dump right here. Bigger time frame, we were coming closer into equilibrium, so I knew it could have a rejection off of this. Going into this big hourly fair value gap right here, we had a huge engulfing candle, the downside straight off of open. Started having rejection because of these order blocks to the left right there, and took the position off of here, pull back into this way to the opposing lows, and that was Tuesday. Wednesday we were coming back into discount right here. We were sweeping that liquidity on the Nasdaq right there, but then ES was lagging behind, thus creating a bullish S&T. You could have actually took a trade right here. This would actually have been not bad, to be honest. Like, it looked pretty good. Entry could have been right there actually, because there was an S&T straight on open. I remember. Why does it do that? Why does it always do that, bro? The entry straight on open, you would have been tapping into that big hourly, taking London highs, and you could have actually had an entry right there and then rode it all the way to the downside. You could have made bank. How many points is that, bro? Yeah, that was for yesterday. You could have also caught these longs right here actually, but you would have had to wait like how long is this? It's like an hour to hit your full TP, unless your TPs are here, unless you took partials and you just left them runners. Two turtle soup plays right there. That's it. That day I just didn't want to trade because I missed the entry. Okay, so for this part I had to change location because I came out with my boys, but I'm gonna just do Thursday's price session right here. Going into discount, we had this big bearish hourly fair value gap right here. I didn't take a trade for yesterday. Also, we had news at 2, so I was just not willing to take a trade for this week. Literally I only took like 3 out of the 5 days that we had so far. Just not a good ideal week to trade in. Hopefully next week it does get better.